When disaster strikes, you need to act fast to protect your belongings. For immediate service, call the SERVPRO Fire and Water Cleanup and Restoration Team. After any damage situation, your primary focus should be safety first. Once you've called SERVPRO, follow the link below this video for important fire and water damage emergency tips. Fast damage remediation can help preserve and restore your property. We offer 24-hour emergency service by highly trained damage restoration technicians. Trust SERVPRO to have the expertise, commitment, and quality personnel to help your family through this difficult time. Remember, we are here in your community, and we are here to help. When the things that matter most are on the line, make sure we are too. SERVPRO Fire and Water Cleanup and Restoration, like it never even happened.